Unlocking academic writing. How to identify a thesis statement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're tackling a crucial skill for anyone navigating through academic writing or engaging in critical reading: how to identify a thesis statement. Understanding this concept is not just about improving your writing skills, it's about enhancing your overall communication abilities. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. At its core, a thesis statement is a single sentence that sums up the main point or argument of an essay, research paper, or any form of academic writing. It's not just any ordinary statement. It's the backbone of your paper, guiding the direction and the focus of your work. Think of it as the compass for your writing journey, ensuring you stay on track and clearly convey your message. Understanding how to identify a thesis statement is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you critically evaluate the work of others, allowing you to grasp the main arguments quickly and assess their validity. Secondly, it's instrumental in structuring your own writing, ensuring that your arguments are coherent, focused, and persuasive. Lastly, recognizing a thesis statement enhances your reading comprehension, making it easier to digest complex texts. 1. Look for it in the introduction. Typically, the thesis statement is located near the end of the introduction paragraph. It serves as a launchpad for the rest of the essay. 2. Search for a claim or argument. The thesis will often present a specific stance or viewpoint on a topic. It's not just a fact but an argument that the writer intends to prove. 3. Check for signposting words. Phrases like, "This essay argues," "The purpose of this paper is," or "I will demonstrate," can clue you in that you're reading a thesis statement. 4. Ask what the main point is. If you're struggling to find the thesis, summarize the text's main point in one sentence. Often, this exercise reveals the thesis or the essence of it. 5. It answers a question. A thesis statement often answers a research question, presenting the writer's conclusion or standpoint on the issue. Now that you know how to identify a thesis statement, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Practice by reading various academic articles or essays and pinpointing their thesis statements. Reflect on how these statements guide the structure and argumentation of the texts. Remember, the more you practice, the more skilled you'll become at spotting thesis statements quickly and efficiently. Identifying a thesis statement is a fundamental skill that can significantly enhance your academic writing and critical reading abilities. It's about understanding the heart of an argument and the direction of a piece of writing. We hope this video has shed some light on how to identify a thesis statement and why it's such an important skill. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to navigate through complex texts with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on English language learning. Happy writing and reading, everyone!